What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to install the Google Wallet payment app in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open Google. Now go to the search bar and search for Google Wallet. Now here in Google Wallet search, scroll down and click on Google Wallet. Now here it will show you the install button. So I have already installed the Google Wallet payment app. So in your case you have to tap on install and wait for downloading, and after downloading tap on open. Now it will show you the list of accounts that you can use. So from here select your account and then you can start using your Google Wallet payment app. So that's how you can install the Google Wallet in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.